So in order to use the Windows built-in tool to run a diagnostic on your RAM, you want to go over to the search bar and type in memory, and in your results you should see Windows Memory Diagnostic. You want to click on Windows Memory Diagnostic, and when you get this little box here, you want to choose Restart Now and check for problems, or check for problems the next time I start my computer. In this example, I'm going to choose Restart Now and check for problems. Okay, so after the restart, you should see this screen here. And on your keyboard, you want to press F1, and then using your down arrow on your keyboard, go down to Extended. Once you have gone down to Extended, press the Tab key on your keyboard. And we want to, in this example, we'll use default, but if you want, you can turn it to on or off. It's up to you. So default, and then you press the tab key again, and then using your backspace, or also known as the delete. Well, here, just to be sure. Okay, so yeah, you can press your delete button, and then we want to change this to 15. Once you have done that, you can click F10. All right, and now it has began to test your RAM to see if there's any faults or if your RAM is completely fine. And also, this process will take some time. Be patient. Don't stop it until it is done. If you feel that you want to test your RAM again, there is a program called MemTest86. If you would like to see a video on that, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope this tutorial has helped you, and until next time, guys, have a nice day.